Hey everybody, welcome back. And I'm going to talk to you about the IDE, or the Integrated Development Environment. So this is where you will type in all of your AppGameKit code, right? So right here. So this is the heart of the engine, and the reason it's the front and center of the experience. So as soon as you open a project, this is the first thing that you're going to see, right? This is actually code from a included project with AppGameKit Studio called gravity.apk. So you can see it here. If we were to run it, this is just a simple program that demonstrates how Gravity works. You can go through the code if you want and see exactly how it works, but I'm just going to close it for now. So I'm going to break down the various areas so you know for sure what everything means. Right? So at the top of the IDE are tabs that allow you to move between different AGC files. So you'd have one here. If you had another AGC file, you can click it and it'd be here. If there was another one, you can click it there. You can also right click on the tab, and this will reveal a small pop-up window that allows you to choose the current tab, all other tabs, or all the tabs. So say we had more than one file here, you would be able to close all, or close the current one, or select the certain or the specific one, depending on what you want to do. Below the tab line is a drop-down menu specifically for the IDE. This is for File, Edit, and View menus. So here you'll find specific menus just for the IDE. The File menu just has Save, Save As, and Close. So you'll see that here. The Edit menu, you have read-only mode. This is a toggle that once set stops you from making any edits. It's useful for when you know that you're done editing a source code file and don't want to mistakenly type text and mess up the file. You could do find and replace, which gives you quick access to search. Toggle line comment is a quick way to set a line into a comment line. Undo and redo for correcting mistakes or changes. Cut, copy, and paste. Select all for manipulating sections of code. Clear all breakpoints. This one I'll have to explain to the debugger for this, so I'll go into that later. Clear all bookmarks. This removes all the set bookmarks in the current source file. Under the drop-down menu, there's some information text. So here it says 19-1, 49 lines, and it says basically what file we're editing, right? So the 19/1 specifies which line we're currently on. So if I click between these lines, you'll see that changes. It also refers to the character where we're at. So if I'm here, it's going to be 1. If I'm over here, it changes to 24. So this is line 8 at character 1, line 8, character 20. The INS refers to the cursor mode. So INS means insert and OVR means overwrite. So you can change the mode by pressing the insert key on your keyboard. The file path of the file is the next text in the line, so right here. And if we were to make some changes here, you see a star appeared, and what that indicates is that there has been some changes and it hasn't been saved yet. Once you save, it will disappear. And okay, that's going to be it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.